Thuja Occidentalis. Okay. So common name is arbor vitae, white cedar or tree of life. Okay. Habitat, it is found in the upper zones of North America. Preparation, the mother tincture is prepared from the fresh green twigs of the tree. The fresh green twigs of the tree. Okay. Prover is Hahnemann. So it is considered to be Hahnemann's king of antipsychotics. Okay, Thuja, remember that, king of antipsychotics. So coming to the constitution, Thuja bears the same relation to the psychosis of Hahnemann, which is like fig warts, condylomata, and wart-like excrescences upon the mucous and cutaneous surfaces. Okay, so just like sulfur does to psora, Thuja does to psychosis, and mercury does to syphilis. Okay, so these are one of the main remedies. Of course, psora, there is calcareous carb as well, but sulfur is one of the king of psorics. Okay. So I mentioned to you, they have a hydrogenoid constitution. Okay. So in this case, you can compare hydrogenoid with Arania diadema, you can compare with natrum sulf. Okay. And you can compare with antimtart. Okay. All hydrogenoid remedies. Acts well in the lymphatic temperament in very fleshy persons, dark complexion, black hair, and unhealthy skin. Okay. So coming to the mind, of course, if you want to deal with the mind of Thuja in separate in detail, you need a whole class for that. I'm just going to give you the keynotes. Okay. So there is a fixed idea, as if a strange person were at his side, and as if the soul and body were separated, as if a living animal were in the abdomen. Okay. So you can compare it crocus sativa, sabina, and sulfur. Okay. They have this symptom of something live in the abdomen. Okay. And of being under the influence of a superior power. So this is the fixed idea. Okay. So just like wood or the tree is very hard. Okay. They will never break very easily. Okay. So just like that, the fixed ideas. So always remember Thuja, very good for the bad effects of vaccination. You can compare with antimtart and stylicia, and from suppressed or maltreated gonorrhea, compare with medorinum. So there is a sensation as if the limbs were made of glass. Okay, sensation as if the limbs were made of glass or even wood for that matter. Okay. So the flesh feels as if beaten from the bone. Okay. So you can compare with phytolacca, which has the same sensation. And as if scraped, you can think of rustox, you can think of a few more remedies like arnica, you can think of eupatorium, okay, and you can think of artesia. Okay. Sweat only in the uncovered parts. So this is a characteristic, sweat only on uncovered parts or all over except in the head. So it's opposite of stylicia. You know, stylicia and calcarea, they have especially in the head and the feet, foot sweat and arms, okay? I mean palms. Okay. So when he sleeps, the sweat stops. Okay. And the sweat happens only when he sleeps and stops when he is awake. Okay. This is the opposite of Sambucus. Okay. If you go to Sambucus, you'll see the opposite symptom here. Okay. So sweat smells like honey or even onion for that matter, but onion goes towards bovista. Okay. Sweat smells like honey and especially of the genitals. So sweet smelling sweat which attracts flies, you can think of caladium. Okay. That's why caladium is very good for diabetes. Okay. Because the sweet smelling sweat which attracts flies. Okay. So vertigo on closing the eyes, you can think of lachesis and Thuja. And opening the eyes, you can think of tobacco. Okay, closing the eyes, lachesis, Thuja, and pteridion also. And opening the eyes, you can think of tobacco. Okay. So one of the A-grade remedy for bad effects of excessive tea drinking. Okay, bad effects of excessive tea drinking. You think of in cases of hepar sulf, you can think of selenium, Abies nigra. Abies nigra is old people who are habituated with gastric discomfort because of drinking tea. Okay, indulgence in tea leading to habitual gastric discomfort, especially in old people. Okay, that is Aedes nigra. That's the main symptom. Okay, and also Aedes nigra, you know that there's a sensation of an egg lodged in the stomach. Okay. So just like argentum nitricum, you can think of ophthalmia neonatorum, where there is a psychotic or syphilitic base, where there is large granulations like warts or blisters, and they are better by warmth or covering. Okay. So teeth decay at the roots, crowns remain strong. Okay. So the roots decay and the crowns remain strong. So you can think of in cases of Staphysagria and Mercurius. Okay. And Mesalium also. So on the edges, you can think of Staphy. Okay. So toothache from tea drinking, all bad effects of tea drinking, you can think of Thuja. Okay. So just like Ambra grigia and Tarantula hispanica, there is a ranula with fetid breath. Okay. Ambra grigia and Tarantula hispanica, there is a ranula with fetid breath. So on blowing the nose, a pressing pain in the hollow of tooth or at the side of it, okay, which is given by Boning-Hosson. On blowing the nose, a pressing pain in the hollow of tooth or at the side. Okay. So just like Silesia, Sanicula, Alumina, you can also think of Platina. The stool recedes after being partially expelled. So in Silesia, if you remember, that symptom is there, right? The obstinacy is so much that the stool comes out and then proceeds back again, and he has to mechanically remove. Okay. Same thing is found here. Stool recedes after being slightly or partly expelled. So piles are painful and more severe when sitting. Okay. Extreme sensitivity to touch, even of the garments, you can think of muriatic acid. Okay. So very important diarrhea, early morning, you can think of phosphorus, epis and aloes. Epis and aloes and phosphorus, all of them have that insecurity as if the anus is wide open and they have to run in the morning to the toilet. Okay. So with much flatus again found in aloes, then gurgling as if from a bunghole when the water is passing through a pipe. You can think of, you can hear the water passing through a pipe, right? So that is the type of sound you'll hear in the Thuja diarrhea. Okay. Which is worse after breakfast, which is worse after coffee, tea. I forgot to mention tea, then fatty food, vaccination, and onions. Okay. So in petrol, we found it is more of cabbage and sauerkraut. Here it is more of vaccination, fatty food, coffee, breakfast, and onions. And don't forget tea. Okay. So this I mentioned to you, characteristic sensation as something alive in the abdomen, found in crocus, nux moscata also, and sulfur. Okay. And sabina, that's also there. So there is severe pain at the conclusion of urination. So this is a characteristic of sarsaparilla. Okay. And there is found in berberis also and equisitum. So sarsaparilla is a right-sided, berberis is a left-sided. Okay. So Thuja is more towards the left-sided complaints compared with lachesis, lilium teak, and theridion. Okay. And any other left-sided remedies, you can think of spichili as well. Okay. So just like natramure, the face is oily as if greased. Okay. Compare with natramure, plumbum, and Thuja. So, you know, it is a very good remedy for warts, especially when the warts are pedunculated, fleshy, large, smooth, especially on the face and back of the hands and fingers. You can compare with two other remedies, which is Dulcamara and Staphysagria. Okay. Usually, Staphysagria is given as a constitution medicine. If there is a stagnation in the cure, you can always give Thuja and then follow it up with Staphysagria. Okay. So there are warts with stitching pains. Stitching pains, you can always think of nitric acid and Staphy. Okay. So suppressed gonorrhea causing articular rheumatism. So remember that vaccination and suppressed gonorrhea. These are the main causative features of Thuja. And tea drinking. Vaccination, suppressed gonorrhea, and tea drinking. Okay. So there is extreme sensitivity of the vagina, which prevents coition, which is seen in platina. Platina has very high sensitive vaginismus they have, in fact. Okay, they cannot even attempt coitus because of the severe spasms of the vagina. Okay. Then there is lycopodium also, where there is dryness of the vagina, which causes pain. Okay.